Welcome, you're watching DBMN TV. This is Molly Sarambai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Football tournament under 14 held in Polo Ground. BSF Meghalaya brass band performs in Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. And innovative store steps in for market competition from Ripoi. Another news in detail. The Shillong Sports Association organised an Under Football 14 League 2023 in Polo Ground on the 11th of March. The first match took place between Madanrating Sports Club and Sumit Academy, where the former defeated the latter with 5-0 goals. Both the team played with zeal and captivated the attention of the audience. Whereas a match between Milliam Grassroot and Kickstart FT Academy, whereby the Kickstart FT Academy backed victory, defeating Milliam Grassroot with 4-1 goals. Interestingly, as the Kickstart FT Academy started denominating the game, the Milliam Grassroot returned with 1 goal but could not return the remaining goals. On the 11th of March 2023, the brass band of BSF Meghalaya demonstrated an impressive performance at Watts Lake, Shillong, celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav with a motto to spread awareness of national integration and invoke a sense of patriotism among the general public. BSF band captivated the observing tourists visiting Watts Lake with popular patriotic tunes, which eventually left the audience astonished. With the level of proficiency the BSF band members worked their musical instruments, they succeeded in leaving the entire crowd in awe on the particular day. As an initiative to popularize ethical silk products in the market for buying and selling from Ripoi district, especially from Plasha, Umden, Diwan, Umkon, Maolong and other regions and villages, I.A. Dingdo, a retired textile department officer, on the 11th of March opened a shop located in the National Highway in Maudiang selling ethical silk products, handicrafts and outfits woven and knitted from silk in different ways. The store was inaugurated by Miralbon's AM MLA from Nongpo, the chief guest for the day. Present in the occasion were F.R. Kharkongor, Commissioner and Secretary of Meghalaya Government, R.B. Lingwa, District Sericulture Officer, family members and others. I.A. Dingdo handed over the store to Baphin Bharanja, his daughter, who is also a fashion designer by profession and who graduated from the National Institute of Fashion Technology. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.